Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of car maintenance essentials with a focus on the best car jack stands. Ensuring safety and reliability, we'll explore top picks, key features, and expert insights. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more informative content. Num. 1. Amazon Basic Steel Jack Auto Stands, 3-ton capacity, 1 pair, black and red, are a solid choice for any DIY mechanic or car enthusiast. These stands offer a sturdy build and a reliable 3-ton capacity, ensuring they can handle most vehicles with ease. The black and red color scheme adds a sleek touch to any garage setup. Their durability and stability inspire confidence when working under a vehicle, providing peace of mind during maintenance or repairs. With the Amazon Basics brand, you can trust in quality and affordability, making these auto stands a practical addition to any home workshop. Num. 2. Big Red T4 3202 Touran Heavy-Duty Steel Jack Stands. If you're in need of reliable lifting power for your car maintenance, these stands deliver. With a hefty 3-ton, 6,000 pounds, capacity, they provide sturdy support for most vehicles. Made of durable steel, they offer peace of mind when working under your car. However, it's essential to note that these stands aren't suitable for SUVs or trucks. Overall, for regular car maintenance tasks, the Big Red T4 3202 Touran jack stands are a solid choice, ensuring safety and stability during your repairs. Num. 3. ProLift TT6903D Double Pin Jack Stands 3-ton, your ultimate partner in automotive lifting needs. These heavy-duty jack stands boast a sturdy construction designed to support up to 3 tons with ease, ensuring safety and stability during maintenance or repairs. Featuring a double pin mechanism for added security, these stands provide peace of mind while you work under your vehicle. Their adjustable height range offers versatility to suit various vehicle types and lifting requirements. Engineered with durability in mind, these jack stands are built to last, making them a reliable addition to any garage or workshop. With the ProLift TT6903D Double Pin Jack Stands, elevate your automotive maintenance experience to new heights. Num. 4. Powerbuilt 2-ton Uni-Jack Combination Hydraulic Bottle Jack/Jack Stand, the ultimate tool for car enthusiasts and DIYers alike. With its innovative design, this unit combines the power of a hydraulic bottle jack with the stability of a jack stand, all in one compact and portable package. Its wide base ensures sturdy support for unibody sedans, CUVs, SUVs, and cars, making it versatile for various vehicles. Say goodbye to the hassle of switching between different tools. The Powerbuilt Uni-Jack simplifies your lifting needs with efficiency and convenience. Whether you're changing a tire or performing maintenance, this tool delivers the power and stability you need. Upgrade your garage with the Powerbuilt 2-ton Uni-Jack Combination Hydraulic Bottle Jack/Jack Stand. Num. 5. Touran Steel Jack Stands, the ultimate solution for heavy-duty lifting needs. With a robust 3-ton capacity, 6,000 pounds, these black stands are built to handle the toughest jobs with ease. Crafted from durable steel, they offer unparalleled stability and security, ensuring peace of mind during every project. The adjustable height feature allows for versatility, accommodating various vehicle types and sizes effortlessly. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, these jack stands deliver reliable performance and safety you can trust. Upgrade your garage with Touran Steel Jack Stands today and experience the difference firsthand. In conclusion, selecting the best car jack stands is crucial for safety and efficiency in vehicle maintenance. Whether you prioritize durability, weight capacity, or portability, there's a stand out there to suit your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insightful reviews, and be sure to like and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts.